Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. The latest chair designs are a testament to innovation, comfort, and aesthetics coming together to redefine our sitting experiences. Modern chairs are not only merely functional pieces of furniture, they are works of art that seamlessly blend form and function. One notable trend in chair design is the emphasis on sustainability. Many designers are now using eco-friendly materials such as recycled plastics, reclaimed wood, and sustainable fabrics to create chairs that are not only visually appealing but also environmentally responsible. This shift towards sustainability is a reflection of our growing awareness of the need to protect our planet. Ergonomics continues to play a pivotal role in chair design, with more people spending extended hours at desks and in front of screens. Chairs are being crafted to provide maximum comfort and support. Adjustable features, lumbar support, and breathable materials are some of the ergonomic materials that designers are incorporating into their creations. In terms of aesthetics, minimalism remains our domain theme. Clean lines, sleek profiles, and a focus on simplicity are defining contemporary chair designs. However, there is also a resurgence of interest in retro and vintage styles, with designers revisiting classic chair designs from the mid 20th century and giving them a modern twist. The integration of technology is another fascinating aspect of the latest chair designs. Some chairs now come equipped with built-in wireless charging stations, integrated speakers, and even app-controlled recycle settings, enhancing the overall user experience. Overall, the latest chair designs are a reflection of our evolving lifestyles, sustainability concerns, and our enduring appreciation for the marriage of style and functionality. Whether you're looking for a chair that complements your modern home or one that supports your ergonomic needs, diversity in contemporary chair designs ensure there's something for everyone. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.